that a yes? I just can't say no to this rainbow unicorn. It's rainbow magic. What's going on? Hello! Congratulations! You are now part of the Rainbow Challenge! I have great news for you! The winner of the Rainbow Challenge will get the main prize, which is this amazing TV! Hey! Why are you carrying our TV? Whoa! Dorothy, look! I have rainbow nails! There is something weird going on here! That's Among Us! I need you! I'll get all the colors! Let me go! I'm not done with my task! And now I'm gonna make a rainbow! Whoa! I'll shoot a video for the challenge! Do you like my character? That gives me a good chance to win! There was a phone somewhere here. A rainbow box! There might be yummy candy in it! Cover the inside of a cardboard box with foil paper. Make partitions. Fill each section with one color of Skittles. Create a rainbow pattern on the cap. Apply Elmer's. Decorate the box with pieces of a CD. Whoops! It's raining candy! That's what I told him! I need to film a rainbow TikTok! Challenge accepted! Will you help me shoot a TikTok? Leave me alone! Help! Dance with me for a TikTok! I can't! I'll pay! That's better! Sure! Your scarf and a wig! Thanks! What about money? Here! Rainbow money for a rainbow TikTok! Fine!
Ooh.
This is for you! Rainbow clothes! Where are they? I have to find rainbow shoes! These will do! Or these! I'll take both! I need rainbow shoes! I have just what you need! An exclusive model! Oh yeah! This is it! Perfect rainbow shoes! Prime fabric shoes with white fabric paint. Make a rainbow gradient. Attach rainbow hair extensions to the back. Add a decorative unicorn. Attach a horn to the tip. I'll be the winner of this challenge! I need these shoes! No way! Oh yeah! These shoes are mine! Give them back! Sketch a backpack on clear plastic. Sew pockets. Fill them with glitter. Attach the pocket to the front part of the backpack. Attach a zipper. Add straps and fastenings. Connect all the pieces. Decorate the backpack with stars. I want this backpack! I want these shoes! Give me my foot back! Look! Another challenge! Hello! I need something very bright! How bright? Like a rainbow! What do you think about this? Nah, it's not enough, and not enough volume! Now? No! No! Let's add a few rainbow extensions! Put colorful beads on a fishing line. Add a star. Fasten the line on a bobby pin. This is exactly what I need. Hello, I need a rainbow hairstyle. I'll try. I'll trim some here. Oh, my phone. Hello? No way. What happened next? Okay, bye. My hair! Don't worry, I'll fix it. Is this better? Whoa, a real rainbow! Ew! A pizza? I didn't order it. Why is it so light? It must be a healthy pizza. I'll try it. What? Is this part of the challenge? I have a yummy rainbow candy. Melt 5½ ounces of chocolate glaze and 5½ ounces of marshmallows. Add 5½ ounces of shredded coconut. Add food coloring. Shape an icicle. Make a horn. Fasten it on a wooden stick. Yummy! It's my horn! Give it to me! My rainbow prank for Dorothy is changing her regular deodorant for a rainbow one. My challenge task is done. Take deodorant out of the container. Melt it in parts. Add oil makeup pigments. Pour it in the container layer by layer. Attach a rainbow label. This challenge is exhausting. And now I'm all sweaty. Where's my deodorant? Hi! A date? Right now? I'm coming! Hi, it's me! Hello! I'm on my way! Whoa! This is my dream girl! Yeah, friends! Our rainbow challenge brings people together! I've been dreaming about meeting her for so long! A refreshing shower is the best way to start a day! Especially when the water turns into a rainbow! This shower is so refreshing! Ah! What happened to my hair? Hang on! That's exactly what I need! Ooh. I'm so lucky! Dorothy, look what I found! A unicorn movie on our favorite channel, Troom. Oh, I love this scene! He is so caring towards her! It's melting my heart! And I can't hold back my tears! I'm exhausted! Turns out a challenge is not that easy! Congrats on winning the Rainbow Challenge! And here's your prize! An amazing TV! Yay! Our TV is back! See you! Finally! What is that? It's me again! Congrats! You are taking part in the new Black and White Challenge! No way! No more challenges! Alice, we're not gonna need a remote anymore! Did you like our video? Then comment below what you liked the most. A rainbow candy, hair extensions, or unicorn shoes? And don't forget to give this video a like. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.